Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss topic about that how we can promote your business or promote your website by using for video ads on the YouTube part. So how will be promoting for your particular business? Into first of all, what does it mean by video ad? If anyone open for videos, they showing for certain ads that will be called non-skippable and skippable video ads. How is showing for customer? How we can getting for this type of ads? Next one, any video, not only for this. Here, where you can promoting for here will be click here. They go to some other website will be Car24 website. Why? In this video promoting for Car24 website purpose. Third one, here will be promoting for particular GoDaddy purpose. This is a we can coming from anything Netflix. So this will be coming from the any kind of things. So we can promoting for GoDaddy, Netflix, any kind of things. So what is called this will be skip and a non-skippable video ads and a 15-second video ads. So this all will be how we can creating for video ads on the particular Google AdWords option. In this main one to promote your website, how it is that? How it is happening for in this purpose we have to choose for the Google AdWords, select it for new campaign. In this campaign we have two types, with goal, without goals, with goal and without goals. In this one, goals, sales purpose, lead generation, website traffic, product and brand consideration, awareness and reach, and app promotion. In this video will be suitable 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Why it is easily specified? Yes, sale is video, lead will be video, website will be video, and product will be video, awareness will be video option. In this one, selecting for anything, brand awareness, selecting for video option. Skippable in stream, bumper ad, bumper nothing but 6-second video ads. Non-skippable up to 15-second outstream ad sequence. Suppose we're selecting for without goals. How it happen? That is called complete option will be called here. Create a campaign without a goal guidance. Goal nothing but specific. You're creating for sale purpose, lead generation, website traffic, and everything will be here. Product and brand awareness and everything here. This will be without goal. Without goal, we click the add here. Custom video campaign, skippable, non-skippable, everything. Yeah, non-skippable video stream, out stream, and drive conversion, ad sequence, and shopping. This is the options. Depend on the goals, option will be changed. Here, video, influence, ad sequence, shopping. Which one? Product, website, video, drive conversion, brand awareness, video, skippable, bumper, non-skippable, outstream, ad sequence. In this one, we are selecting for brand awareness and reach. In this option, we'll be selecting for video. In this video, we're selecting for skippable, bumper, non-skippable, outstream, ad sequence. Anything will be selected. Now I'm selecting for reach people on their phone or tablet using for video CPM, cost per mile. Cost per mile nothing but cost per 1,000 impression. Cost per 1,000 impressions. Outstream here will be there. You can check ad will be in this option. So everything will check your particular option. So any ad to promoting business, here the website link will be here. See this one. After creating, I'll show you here. Now I'm creating for with goal without goals. That is your wish to making a video promotion purpose. Now I'll take the goal will be brand awareness and reach. In the option will be selecting for skippable in stream. Why? Because in my channel I have complete will be there for you can check here. I open the video, cancel. This will be only for 25-second video. So that is selecting for skippable in stream ad. So how it happen will be like this. So after the playing here, they're showing the skip will be playing for up to 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, they're showing for skip ad. Now you can see here. We can't go back in this option. So now I will start the ad. skippable video ads, continue. Now starting for video promoting not only for website, they're promoting for YouTube channel also. So video are only promoting for website, not like that. The video are promoting for YouTube channel and website also. Here target CPM. They're showing for target CPM nothing but cost per mile, nothing but cost per 1,000 impression they will be charged. In the particular following, the following bid strategy are not available in this campaign. Maximum CPV, viewable CPM, target CPA, maximum conversion. They only target for target CPM. They only target by impressions, not for the views and not for the clicks. Based on the people see the ad, when will be click, it will be conversion. So when you go with the clicks option, we can go to the drive sequence. That is a drive conversion. Now selecting for campaign total or daily budget. I'm selecting for daily budget will be 150. Here will be showing to the customers. I'm daily will be 500. Here will be impression will be 2.3 billion impression. Start date. I'm not specify any end date here. And network. They will be only showing for YouTube video option and a video partner display network site. Video partner display network. Suppose I'm go to blog. Careful to watch. Click here. In this, any video is there. We can play this video. In this, any particular skip ad is there. That all belongs to for where the option call is here. Video partner on display network. Where you can come into the. I'm promoting only Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Language. I'm only promoting for English. You can promoting for here all languages. As you wish, you can promote anything. I'll go for all languages. Here 2.3 billion impressions are there. Same will be continue. All languages. Standard inventory. No need to change. Here is the video skippable ad. Particular date. So what are the target age people? I'm targeting up to 44. Everything will be correct. Will be done. Next, audience. If you are targeting any specific audience like education, it's going to the 1.6 billion. But you're reaching for more people. Remove the education. Here is the option. Keyword. I don't target any specific keyword. Any topic. I don't target any kind of topics here. Topic nothing, but now we are selecting anything. Health related, home, job and education, everything. We don't any specific for particular option. When you're selecting in the specific option, it will redirect to the employees will be here in this. After that, done. Next, what is your placement? Placement nothing but if you are targeting any particular video, your video you are target for any particular videos. Suppose you have one channel will be very famous. Your video promoting for that particular channel video. Simple is a channel, is a video. Simple. Who is a trending video is there? Go for trending video. Select the video option. Copy. Here. They will be selecting for ID. In the particular trending my first video, I can target my video ad here. Specific video. And you can promoting for specific channel also. Here is the channel. Which is the channel will be here. TV9 Telugu. TV9. TV9. We can check for the here. Yeah, which one is the one? We can selecting for particular channel. Here. Particular video, particular channel. Both are will be selected. If you target specific audience, you can go for specific audience, channel and video here. And video lineups, website, apps, and apps categories. You can promoting for particular website link also. Particular website link. And we can promoting for apps. Any mobile app will be promoting here. And it will be app categories. So in this one, I can target anywhere into the YouTube. I'm not specifically targeted by any YouTube channel and any YouTube video. After that, this is a compulsory mandatory. What is mean by placement? Nothing but you can promote your video, particular other channels, or particular other video, or particular other website, other application, and other application categories. After that, video lineups. Here, action film, action is. So these all will be different video lineups. Placements, you can decide your wish. Next one, how much your 1000 impression will be cost? And give by 10 rupees. And give by 10 rupees. So in this 10 rupees, now it is done. After 10 rupees we can done. Here, add your particular video here. Copy, paste. What is show your skip ad. Final URL. I'll show you how we can add will display. Done. Writing for name. Preview will be how we can show to customers. This is ad to show the customer. So final where you can go to the your website. When you click, they go to your particular website. So it's a showing for ad now. So that is called the showing for preview. After we can click for, they go to your website. But into video mode, any kind of ad will be here. When you click here, they go to Netflix. That only showing for preview purpose. Here is the ad. What is showing will be skip. So once again I'll show you here. And click. See this. After exactly 5 seconds, the skip ad will be start. See, exactly 5 seconds. So this is a pattern we have to follow by the here desktop and Google partner site. Google partner site here will be showing for in this. In this. Is it clear? In this all will be here. Is a website. Once I'm going to show you. Why? Because I'm showing purpose and there is a skip. In a call to action we can give by here. You can give the call to action by give the your mobile numbers. Call to action headlines. So yeah, how you can show in for here. How you can show in your particular things. In this, the number will be shown to the customer like this. Ask your query, mobile number, and click for your website. These all kind of things option will be given by the Google AdWords to advertise your website and your YouTube channel and your everything. So here one question is there. So how you can promoting website? Simple option will be here. Copy this link in a replace of link here. After you can check. Previous website will be showing. I will be showing for YouTube channel. When you click this link, they go to where your particular YouTube channel option. The showing option will be subscribe our channel. That is purpose we have to use for this link. After channel done, question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. So when you open a new user, they're showing for subscribe button. They're showing for subscribe button. If you already subscribe, they can't. So clear? This option will be here. So this is the way we can promoting for website, we can promoting for YouTube channel also, blogger also. This is not only for one. They're promoting for blogger, they're promoting for website, they're promoting for YouTube channels. Everything will be possible. Now my target will be only for website. Why? Because already video is there. They check for here. Call to action not interested. Auto generated by the my exist image or upload for your own image 1280 by into 720, not for by 1280 into 720 pixel. Finally, everything will be checked here, so we can check for in this. Camera might be not serve because you are bit too slow. That is called bit will be too slow. Then nothing but too low. Nothing but I give you the 500. I will be set. I'll give the 150. It will set. I give the 100. Now you can check. It's still set. I'll give the 50 rupees. Error. I'll give the 75 rupees. It's okay. I'll give the 62 rupees. Is okay. So they will accept by up to 60 onwards. The impression will be 52k to 98k. Nothing but 52,000 to 98,000. The CPM cost will be 45 to 62. Budget spending will be 95% to 100%. So finally, always remember, when they countably show to customers, the price will be good, or else the price will be does not acceptable. So follow the proper instructions and create the ad. That will be showing for some people who say 20 rupees also will be start the campaign. Not like that. The minimum starting price will be a particular will be 60 rupees and 55 rupees and 52 rupees. Now 55 will start by the impressions. This is a way we can start the particular campaign on the video to promote your business to people reaching for more persons. That mean by to increase the traffic, to increase the brand awareness, to increase the your leads by using video ads option. So follow instructions and you increase your business leads and website traffic to get the video views, placements and business leads. So finally, start your create a campaign. This structure will be designed on the particular video ads. So finally, then continue to campaign. So this is a method we can follow for create a campaign for a total Google AdWords account. Finally, is daily. After that, ad group. After that, your video ad. This will be pending under review. Once is approved, they start your campaign when you pay your amount to reactivate your account. So this is the way we have to start your business promotion by video ads using Google AdWords. How to display? Always remember, this is a method. The video will display skippable and non-skippable. Non-skippable, two things, 6 seconds and 15 seconds. Skippable, more than 6 seconds, more than 15 seconds. Depending on video ads, you can promote your advertise on the YouTube channel by using video ads to advertise your website to get the business leads. Thank you guys. If anybody have a query, please ask me in my YouTube channel comment box. You can join your any new videos. You can join us and will help more for latest videos. Ask your question. We'll give you the best videos about the any kind of Google AdWords, AdSense, and WordPress, PHP, any kind of things will be help on the particular join button. The starting price will be 199 and ending price will be 799. They will be useful for your career purpose. Some people have a question, sir, without join can I have support or not? Definitely will be support without join also. I'm always supporting for existing question. If you want new videos, you have to compulsory join for in the follow join option. Thank you for watching.